Hello, women. Wishing all you lovely ladies a very happy Women's Day. It's International Women's Day, and we are out to celebrate the spirit of women. Women are stronger than men in many ways. You all are more resilient, you all work harder, and you all can multitask and balance a lot more than we guys can. So, salute to all of you. And today I'm going to be discussing with you a few tips, especially for eye care related to women's problems. So, women's eyes are different from men's eyes. The problems you all face are also a little different. Let's understand how. First and foremost, your hormones are such that you'll tend to go in for dry eyes a lot more than men do. So for dry eyes, you need to eat healthy. You need to include a lot of greens, a lot of badam, vitamin A, omega fatty acids, broccoli, carrots, orange colored foods and fruits, and you got to incorporate these into your diet to stay more healthy, to keep your eyes more moist. You got to sleep on time, you got to stay hydrated, and maybe use some cooling drops. The other problem women usually face is under eye dark circles or puffy, tired looking eyes. So the trick for this is, besides all this what I spoke to you earlier, you could apply a little bit of almond oil, take some on your fingertip and apply gently over here on the under eye area. Wash it off in 5-10 minutes. When you do this, don't step out into the sun. So this will take care of dark circles and little puffiness which you may face. A good night's sleep and a 15-minute nap in the daytime also works wonders. So these are natural ways to get rid of your dark circles and puffy looking, tired looking eyes. Another problem women commonly come with is overuse of contact lenses. So there's a lot of stress on not wearing glasses, and although it's a thing of the past now, some people do want to wear lenses and they don't like to wear glasses all the time. If you are one of them, then remember that when you use your lenses, use them in such a way that you can stay complication free for much longer. So keep the duration of hours shorter. Don't wear them from waking up till sleeping. Take frequent breaks, wear them for 4 to 6 hours in the day and not really long. If your eyes are tiring out, change the modality of the lens, maybe opt for daily lenses. Make sure you are hydrating yourself enough and make sure you're using cooling drops. If lenses don't suit you at all, don't bother too much. Just get a laser surgery done and get rid of those numbers. You could opt for wearing glasses, that's a very good option, and I think it looks pretty distinguished, but if you insist on wearing lenses, try the daily disposable ones or something which is not a colored lens. One other common issue which many women ask me is about eye makeup. So some of y'all use heavy makeup. Majority of women use some form of kajal or liner. The key to using this is try a product that is it agrees with you. So you've used it over the years. Stick to that basic product. Don't experiment too much with different brands because they may cause some reactions. Also, make sure to wash the eyes well. Remove all the makeup off before you go to bed. So use some baby oil or some cotton pads and clean everything off before you go off to bed. Using the liner on top is okay, but the one that you use down touches the waterline of the eye, and that sometimes leads to clogged pores. The sweat glands at the lower eyelid get blocked, and this gives rise to small burst out of infections in the form of cyst or stye and similar. So take care of that and make sure the makeup is all out before you go to bed. Now, medical problems glaucoma is a real-time problem which many women face. Women tend to have eyes which are prone to glaucoma, which is a pressure in the eye. So get this checked with your ophthalmologist. They check your pressure, they check your visual field status and suggest drops if necessary. So these are some of the problems that women face, which men face lesser. And I hope you found this video useful. It's specially only for ladies. And take care of your eyes, stay healthy, enjoy your day, and have a great one.